Hello guys, welcome to our new video, and today's topic is how you can crack Filmora. Yes, Filmora is a very good video editing software, as you know, and it is not free. It shows watermark and some of the good features are disabled in free package. So to remove watermark and to get access over all the features, we can simply crack it by giving more zero money. Yes guys, just for free we can crack it and use it. To crack Filmora, you should follow the steps. Before we get started, please subscribe our channel for more latest technology videos and like the video. Thank you guys. So open run command and type drivers. As you can see, it is already here. drivers drivers, and press enter or OK. And you can see here etc folder is here. Just go on etc and you can see simply host folder is here, and you can drag it out in the desktop. Continue it and you just open with notepad. Guys, I have already cracked Filmora, so I think you can't see this line there. So copy as it is this line. I'll give you this line in description also. Copy this line and paste it last of this line as it is, and then you just simply save it. After saving it, you just close it and drag the host to the folder as it was at first. Again, let's drag it there, and it is gone there. So let's close this folder also. So you simply go on Filmora. Here it is, your Filmora now, and you just go on help, and you can see here offline activation tab, and you just click here, and it is license, email and registration code is here. You can simply see, and I have already activated, so it's already here, but you can simply see here this is registration email and this is registration code. You just copy this in registration email and this in registration code box and simply click on activate it. The button might be right here, and when you will activate, your Filmora will be completely free. And there will be one problem with you: after you crack Filmora, the server will know that you have cracked, so Filmora may crash. So before you use Filmora, before you crack Filmora users, what you need to do is just close your Wi-Fi and you just go in Filmora and you just go in help and offline activation. You type this line as email, and this line is the activation code, and then you just simply do activate, and then you close the Filmora. And after closing Filmora, what you simply do is you just go in the drivers folder, and you just go in etc and you just go in host and drag it again to the desktop as you did, and you just do open with notepad and you clear this line. You simply clear the line and save it. Again save it, and it's saved, and you just drag it again here, and now you can turn on your Wi-Fi and you can chill with your free Filmora, crack Filmora. So guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel. Bye bye, see you soon.